Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to update software on your SOUNDCORE Select to as a speaker. Here in our application we have to tap this gear icon in the top right corner. The application is called SOUNDCORE, by the way, and here we have to tap update firmware. Now we have to tap download. Now install, and now we have to just do anything. You mustn't do anything, like don't play music, don't disconnect the speaker, don't turn it off, etc. Just wait until the update ends. It may take a while, don't worry. I'm going to show you the whole process. Now, as you can see, our speaker is restarting. The application tells that it may take a while, 10 minutes, but our process took 2 minutes actually. And now we can tap this tick icon. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.